Hello everyone, this is Pau. Today, we're gonna tackle about customs valuation system. Questions given is all about tariff problems involving dutable freight and dutable insurance. Let's go! Question number 1. Uzumaki Naruto Corporation imported steels with an FOB value of $30,000. How much is the dutable insurance? FOB value is $30,000. Multiplied by 0.02, dutable insurance is equals to $600. This answer is based on rule number 2, which states that if there is no insurance indicated in the invoice, we have to compute for general goods as 2% or dangerous goods as 4% of the FOB or FCA. Question number 2. Suzuki Transport imported tires which arrived at the port of Zamboanga with an CFR value of $25,000. The representative presented a commercial invoice indicating the following expenses: freight at $5,000 and insurance at $500. How much is the dutable insurance? Dutable insurance is $500. This answer is based on rule number 1, states that if there is an insurance given in the commercial invoice, automatically it is the dutable insurance. Question number 3. Konoha Sports imported forehead protectors which arrived at the port of Surigao with a CFR value of $30,000. A local insurance worth 50,000 pesos was provided. How much is the dutable insurance if the freight is $5,000 and the rate of exchange is 40 pesos or $1? FOB equals $30,000 minus $5,000. FOB equals $25,000. Multiplied by 0.02, insurance equals $500. Compared by 50 pesos over 40 pesos, insurance is $1,250. Dutable insurance is $1,250 since it is higher. This falls under rule number 4, which states that local insurance premium without certificate and OR, we have to use the general rule whichever is higher, or LIP versus 2% or 4% of the FOB or FCA. Question number 4. Konoha Sports imported forehead protectors which arrived at the port of Surigao with a CFR value of $30,000. A local insurance worth 50,000 pesos was provided together with a certificate and OR. How much is the dutable insurance if the freight is $5,000 and the rate of exchange is 40 pesos or $1? 50,000 pesos divided by 40 pesos, the dutable insurance is $1,250. This answer is based on rule number 3, which states that if there is a given local insurance premium with certificate and OR, automatically it will serve as the insurance. LIP should always be in dollars. Question number 5. Department of Education imported plastic covers with a CFR value of $20,000. The original GSIS Marine Open Policy was presented amounting 18,000 pesos. How much is the dutable insurance if the rate of exchange is 50 pesos or $1 and the freight is $3,000? 10,000 pesos divided by 50 pesos, dutable insurance is $360. This answer is based on rule number 6, which states that government importation should provide original GSIS Marine Open Policy. Other than GSIS, apply Rule 3 or Rule 4. Not covered by LIP, apply Rule 5. Question number 6. Department of Education imported plastic covers with a CFR value of $25,000. The entry indicated freight charges at $4,000 and insurance at $400. How much is the dutable insurance if the rate of exchange is 50 pesos or $1? FOB equals $25,000 minus $4,000. FOB is $21,000. Multiplied by 0.02, insurance is equals to $420. Compared by the given entry, which is $400. The dutable insurance is $420 since it is higher. This answer is based on rule number 5, which states that if the shipment is not covered by any local insurance, use the general rule whichever is higher between the given entry versus 2% or 4% of the FOB or FCA. Question number 7. Tons of rice arrive at the port of Manila with a total CIP value of $50,000. The representative submitted the bill of lading indicating the freight charge of $4,000. On the other hand, after further perusal of the documents submitted, it was found that the freight charges and insurance were indicated in the invoice at $4,500 and $2,500 respectively. How much is the dutiable freight? Based on rule number 2, apply the general rule whichever is higher between bill of lading or airway bill versus commercial invoice. In order to get the dutiable freight, bill of lading is $4,000 compared by the freight which is $4,500. Our dutiable freight is $4,500 since it is higher. Question number 8. Minato imported suits with an FOB value of $25,000 which arrive at the subport of Dumaguete. How much is the dutiable freight if the shipment has a gross weight of 2,500 kilograms subject to GCR rate of $0.55 per kilogram? 2,500 kilograms multiplied by $0.55 per kilogram freight is equal to $1,375. This answer is based on rule number 4 which states that use IATA or GCR rate whichever is applicable. Question number 9. Minato imported suits with an FOB value of $25,000. The insurance and freight charge indicated in the entry are $400 and $1,000 respectively. How much is the dutiable freight if the shipment has a gross weight of 2,000 kilograms subject to GCR rate of $0.55 per kilogram? 2,500 kilograms multiplied by $0.55 per kilogram equal $1,375 multiplied by 0.70. Freight is equals to $962.5 compared by the given freight $1,000. Our dutiable insurance is $1,000 since it is higher. This answer is based on rule number 5 which states that apply the general rule whichever is higher between the given entry versus IATA or GCR. We need to get the 70% of the IATA or GCR. Number 10. A shipment of 2x40 feet STZ frozen tuna from Hong Kong arrived in the port of Cebu. Its CFR value is $55,000. How much is the dutiable freight if the insurance is $1,500 and the freight indicated in the BL is $3,100 supported with a certification from the shipping lines? The dutiable freight is $3,100. This answer is based on rule number 7 which states that if the shipment is under refrigerated shipment with a shipping line certificate, the BL value will automatically serve as the dutiable freight. If the shipment is without a shipping line certificate, we have to apply whichever is higher between BL versus reefer rates. Question number 11. A shipment of 2x40 feet STZ frozen tuna from Hong Kong arrived in the port of Cebu. Its CFR value is $55,000. How much is the dutiable freight if the insurance is $1,500 and the freight indicated in the BL is $3,100? Hong Kong rate is equal to 1,600 multiplied by 2 is $3,200 compared by the given BL is $3,100. Our dutiable freight is $3,200 since it is higher. This answer falls under rule number 7 which states that if the shipment is under refrigerated shipment with a shipping line certificate, the BL value will automatically serve as a dutiable freight. If the shipment is without a shipping line certificate, we have to apply whichever is higher between BL versus reefer rates. Question number 12. Sakura Flower Shop has an importation of 3x20 feet STC assorted plastic pots with a CFR value of $54,000, which arrived at the port of Zamboanga from port of Guangzhou. Bill of lading indicated freight charges at $4,000. How much is the dutiable freight if the insurance is $1,000? The dutiable freight is $4,000. This answer is under rule number 1, which states that if there is BL or airway bill given and other rules are not applicable, automatically it will serve as the dutiable freight. Question number 13. National Food Authority imported rice sacks with a FOB value of $20,000. How much is the dutiable freight if the local insurance premium is 30,500 pesos while the freight in the bill of lading is $2,200? The rate of exchange is 50 pesos or $1. CFR equals $20,000 plus $2,200 is equal to $22,200 multiplied by 0.10. CFR equals $2,220 compared by the given freight $2,200. Our dutiable freight is CFR, which is $2,220 since it is higher. This answer is based on rule number 6, which states that if the shipment is NFA importations, apply whichever is higher between given versus 10% CFR. Number 14. Chunade Trading imported 20 cartons of medicine kits with FCA value of $30,000. Insurance and freight charges were indicated in the entry as follows: $600 and $895. Each carton weighs 5 kilograms and measures 0.3 meter by 0.5 meter by 0.3 meter. How much is dutiable freight if the IATA rate is $8.50 per kilogram? In order to get the dutiable freight, compare actual weight versus volume weight. Actual weight equals 20 cartons multiplied by 5 kilograms. Actual weight is 100 kilograms. Compared by volume weight, 0.3 meters by 0.5 meters by 0.3 meters divided by 0.006 cbm multiplied by 20 cartons. Volume weight is equal to 150 kilograms, which is the higher. IATA equals 150 kilograms multiplied by $8.50 per kilogram multiplied by 0.70. Freight is equal to $892.50 compared by the given entry, which is $895. Our dutiable freight is $895 since it is higher. This answer is based on rule number 5, which states that apply the general rule whichever is higher between the given entry versus IATA or GCR. We need to get the 70% of the IATA and GCR. Question number 15. Konoha Trading imported headgears that arrive at NAIA with CIP value of $25,000. How much is the freight if the insurance is 2% of the FCA and the freight is 20% of the FCA? FCA is $25,000 minus 0.02 plus 0.20 is equal to $25,000 minus 0.22. FCA is equals to $20,491.80. Freight equals 20% of the FCA. Freight equals FCA times 20% is equals to $20,491.80 multiplied by 0.20. Freight is equals to $4,098.36. Question number 16. Inno Trading imported plastic flower pots from China with CIF value of $18,000. How much is the insurance if the freight is 10,000 of the FOB? FOB equals $18,000 minus 0.02 plus 0.10. FOB equals $18,000 minus 0.12 FOB. FOB equals $16,071.43 times 0.02. Insurance is equals $321.43. That ends with our topic about customs valuation system. I hope you have learned something from my video. Thank you.